Hello everyone and welcome once again in on my channel. So in this video I will show you 5 ways to make money online without spending a dime. Describe this in 60 seconds. Alright, there are several ways to make money online without spending a I think dime. What is the meaning of dime? I don't know. The first option is to become a freelancer writer, where you can write article, blog post and other contents for website and business in need of article writing material. Another way is to participate in online survey or sign up for paid focus group to provide feedback on product and service. You can also become an affiliate marketer, where you can promote a product on your website and receive a commission. Well, this thing you all know. Let's know the 5 tips, five ways how can you make money online without any investment. Freelancer writing, you know all it. Online survey. Companies need feedback on their products and you can get paid for taking survey. Some popular survey website includes Swagbucks, SurveyJunk and Wendell Research. Affiliate marketing. Well, if you don't know the main strategies how it works, you can also check there. I have uploaded one video about it. So here we continue our topic. You can promote product and service on your website or social media and earn a commission for each sale made through unique affiliate links. Fourth, online marketplace. You can sell products or service on online marketplace like Etsy, eBay and Amazon. You can also offer skills on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Advertising revenue. You can create content on platforms like TikTok, YouTube, blog and earn money through advertised revenue. Well, let's know more about it. So here we have also option of online tutoring, content creation on social media, online transcription. Well, maybe you can use a Google translator to transcribe their language to whatever the task given, and virtual assistants like remote desktop, or maybe like that only. No, it's different. Online market research. Well, companies often to seek opinion and feedback from consumer to improve their product. Well, also you can give tips to the company that how they can improve their products or anything, any of your feedback. Remember to research, choose your opportunities that align with your skills, interest and availability. Consistently profitable. it's professionalism and building a good reputation are key to establish yourself and earning money through online avenue. Thank you for watching.